Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm here using watercolor paper, then this the stencil I'm using, then I'm using molding paste. First, I'm going to apply the molding paste on the stencil. Then I'm going to dry it and then put the spray on the top. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, turn the notification on. That way you will get all my videos whenever I post it. And I also want to thank all the subscribers. Thank you so much. I think this really helps my channel. So thank you so much. Now here I'm going to use distress oxide, which is called Mermaid Lagoon, Picked Raspberry, and Tattered Angels. You can use, instead of Tattered Angels, Blueprint Sketch distress oxide. Now first I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to spray some water on the top. And before I put the water, I'm adding little bit of the Tatter Angel, which is like a dark kind of blue color of the spray. And I'm going to use the brush and blend it little bit. I'm still adding little bit of water depending on how I want it. Then I'm going to dry this. Then I'm adding this Tattered Angel blue color spray. So the spray doesn't work properly, so I'm just using the color and um, putting it on the edges. Don't worry if you don't have the same color. You can use acrylic inks or even distress oxide pads or neocolor crayons. uh, you can use, there are so many different mediums out there. You can mix it and you can get the color you want. So there is no right or wrong way in this. So you can play with it and have fun. So I'm trying to get the sides darker, but this is too watery and not enough for me to get that dark color on the edges, which I wanted. So I'm going to now add little bit of pink color, that is picked raspberry, here and there. To get that little pink color in this, but it gets more into a dark blue. Or little purple color in this. So I'm going to dry this. Then I'm using this acrylic ink, uh, which is like a dark blue color. And then I'm spraying some water and blending it. And sometimes the acrylic ink makes it more brighter also. I'm spraying some water and keep blending it. Now I'm going to dry it before going for the next step. Now I'm using this stencil, and I'm going to take the tissue paper and take out some of the um, color to give the texture. Then now again I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to do that on the different areas. Then I'm going to dry everything. Then again I'm adding now the same picked raspberry color, so I wanted that little bit of pink mixed in this, so that's why I'm adding it again and spraying some water. Then now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm mixing little bit of blue and black and getting that dark blue which I want, like that, for the edges. So I'm using that mixed color and spraying some water on the top and blending it. And I'm doing the same thing on the other sides. I wanted to add little bit of paint in between also, like in the center of the page, little bit, and blend it so it gets blended with the spray color and the acrylic ink together. Now I'm going to use this stamp, which is from the Stampers Anonymous. I'm not going to add too many stamps in this, so I'm just putting very little. Now once I put this stamp, then I'm going to add this die. I think I got this in Temu. Um, so this one I'm going to cut it into pieces, and then I'm going to um, put this on the background, and this is my focal point. So now I'm going to cut it as I want it, and then I'm going to adhere it using the glue. Now I'm going to splatter on the top. Then I'm going to dry it now. Then I'm coloring little bit inside those circles with the Neo Color crayons. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to add the focal point, and then I'm going to finish this project. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. Uh, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. And thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel and leaving the comments. I will see you again soon. Bye.